Put your hands down.
Stop! Look at you!
Oh.
This is not a normal police interaction. At first, everything looks calm and routine. But trained officers know situations can change in seconds. One wrong move can turn dangerous for police and civilians. That's why officers stay calm, alert, and professional at all times.
So I'm trying to help you outside the road.
All of that, so when I was at the window politely speaking, exactly, because that's how you get a supervisor. Because when I was standing there, yes, please.
If you refuse to leave, you are subject to arrest.
Please do. Thank you, sir. We can talk over there now that I've stood here for an hour and did all of this.
You have to do all that.
But I did because I've been at the window for an hour asking for a minute. So if you want to argue with me, I can back up in front of this bus again because I'm not here. I will go to jail. That's what I need you to understand. Thank you. Physically remove me. Physically remove me. I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay.
Yup. You're going to have to walk me because what are you doing? Right. Because in a minute I'm going to start swinging. No. For what? You're not my damn daddy.
Just wait. Just wait because you're making it more
Please
difficult.
do.
Just wait. You're making it way more difficult than it has to be. Now you're going to jail.
No.
Now you're going to jail for something that you avoided. Something you could have avoided jail for.
You're an adult, right?
I am an
You're
adult.
just doing your job.
You're a child.
Just like him. Record like him. Just record him.
All right.
Just
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Refuse to put your hands behind your back. That is resisting. Put your hands behind your back now.
Police are trained to watch hands, body movement, and tone of voice. Clear verbal commands are given to control the situation peacefully. At this stage, officers are trying to prevent escalation, not create it. Patience and communication are the main tools being used here.
Stop. Stop. Let go. Let go. Stop resisting. Let go. Ma'am, just calm down. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
All right. Put your hands behind your back.
As hesitation continues, the risk level increases.
You need medical attention, ma'am? Oh, you don't need it. All right. For something you could avoid it.
This is not about aggression. It's about safety and responsibility. Training focuses on maintaining distance and reaction time. Every movement is calculated to reduce harm to everyone involved.
Stop resisting.
Sure, you want to check him out with like his blade? Goofy ass.
Stop resisting. Get in the car.
30 pounds now, time 1905.
Somebody got a seatbelt from outside.
Sergeant Weaver, Atlanta Police. What happened today?
You want the whole story or the part that got me arrested? Or
Whatever you want to tell me.
I got here a minute after my bus left. I spent an hour going back and forth to the person, asking when the next bus was coming. She kept promising me a later time. I asked to speak to a supervisor. She refused to get a supervisor. So I stood here and caused a big scene so that I could get a supervisor. After 5 buses bagged up and multiple people called the supervisor, he finally came over, and instead of being a supervisor and being professional, he was an asshole. I was like, I could just stand here all day. It became that. And your officers, instead of speaking to me like a human being or just escalating the situation, they wanted to push me and force me to sit down. And that's where things got to be a problem. Okay, yeah, I get it. I have an attitude, whatever, but that does not give you the right to put your hands on someone. He is not my father. He cannot force me to sit down. And you guys may think you have the right to force someone to sit down, but you don't. Like, I don't care where y'all wrote that shit. you don't. Like, you really don't have that. And that's where, when he pushed me down, he caused me to hit my head on that pole, and that's when I started swinging. Like, I blacked out. I may have been rude, I may have been very disrespectful, and that's that, but that does not give you the right to put your hands on anyone. Because if I came up to you guys, and I felt like you were rude, and I just started swinging on you, it would have been a problem. So, vice versa, and that's where the